Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11, or you might be jump over from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And now you are looking for how to personalize your desktop background. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to right click anywhere in your desktop and then you're going to see screen appear just like this. You need to click here, personalize. After click over personalize, you're going to see screen appear just like this. Click here the background. After click over background, you're going to see there is a personalize the background. There is a bunch of options. You can choose picture, solid color, or slideshow. For example, if I choose the picture, it's going to be appear a picture preloaded by Windows 11. You can easily choose any picture from here. For example, I would like to set this picture. If I set this picture, you're going to see now in my Windows 11, it's appear new desktop background, which is really quite interesting. Also, if you decide to choose a solid color, you can choose a solid color and you can easily choose any color you want. You can see now it's appear totally a solid color in my desktop background. Also, you can view color. There is a bunch of color available. You can easily choose any of them. Now, if I go minimize, you can see now it's appear new color. Also in here, solid color, you're going to see slideshow. You can add your favorite picture in this slideshow. So every time those folder, all the picture is going to be appear in your desktop background. You can easily just choose here, browse, and choose the folder you want to set desktop background. Actually, in this folder, I have few pictures in this folder, so I would like to set this picture in my desktop background. So I choose it and I'm going to choose this folder. Also, you can change the picture you can choose here 1 minute to 1 day. So do you like to change this picture every day, or we would like to set every 6 hour, 1 hour, or 1 minute? I would like to make it here 1 day. Now if I minimize my screen, now you can see it's up here in my wallpaper. It's set with the new desktop background wallpaper, which is already located with that folder. This is really quite interesting. Also, if you can also choose the picture, choose a feed your desktop background, how you would like to set this picture with the fill, feed, straight, tile, center, or span. You can easily choose any of them. Also, if I go back, you can also choose. There is a theme section. You can find there's a bunch of wallpaper available with the theme. For example, if I choose this, you're going to see now my wallpaper has changed with the new theme. Also, there is another it's called Bing wallpaper, which will be helpful for you. It will change every day wallpaper in your Windows PC. It's no need to you don't need to do anything. That software going to be changing the wallpaper in your screen every day with the new wallpaper. If you want to install that, go jump over in Google Chrome or any browser and type here Bing wallpaper, and you're going to find here Bing wallpaper, and open that, and then you can just install now, and that software going to be download, and just simply open that software, and after open it's going to give you a screen just like this. You can easily set Microsoft Bing as my home page, or set Microsoft Bing as my default search provider. If you want, you can do, but I'm not going to do this, so I'm just uncheck all of them, and then I'm going to install now. I would like to only install the Bing wallpaper app. So you can see it's almost done. So after installing, it might be not effect in your desktop background. I'll suggest you, if it is not, you can just refresh or restart your Windows 11, and then see, you're going to see in this icon there is a Bing wallpaper appear. You can easily change Bing wallpaper from here, like change wallpaper, it's going to be appear a new wallpaper, and every day it's going to be appear with the new wallpaper in your Windows 11 PC. So in this way you can easily customize your Windows 11 wallpaper. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.